It was April 4th, 2020, and I still did not know where I wanted to go to college as an industrial engineering major. Because of COVID, I cannot physically visit campuses. However, all the colleges I was interested in had virtual admitted students days. So that's where myself and my parents were, in the dining room table, browsing websites, trying to figure out where I wanted to spend my next 4 years. Of my three finalists, two of the colleges did not really seem to care about industrial engineering, making it seem more secondary compared to more popular forms of engineering. However, one did not seem that way, and that was WVU. 2 years later, I believe I have made the right decision on where to go to college. And that is why I wanted to share with you three unique reasons why WVU's industrial engineering program is a great engineering program and one that students interested in the major should apply to. The first of these reasons, and something that I use daily, is the IMSE Student Collaboratory. Also referred to as the IE Lounge by students, this room is located on the third floor of the ESB, where most of the engineering classes take place. It is open to any IE student anytime during the school days, and it is extremely helpful. Ever since joining the major, I've used this almost daily. I normally have between 45 minutes to an hour in between classes, and this is a great place to do homework, talk to friends, collaborate on projects, and it even has a free printer so that I can print out any materials I might need for that next class. It also has a ton of computers that are preloaded with software that might be useful for classes but come with a huge cost to the individual student. Most afternoons, this place is filled to the brim, and it is a great way for me to get to know people from the major that I might not have met yet. Since collaboration is such a big thing in industrial engineering, and I'm glad that I have this room in order to help cultivate that culture. Another reason why I think WVU is a great choice for industrial engineers is because of just how big of a network we have with companies. WVU IEs have been all around the country, and I think it really shows in how diverse a set of companies our graduates have gone to. From major manufacturing companies like Tesla, Toyota, and GE to large government contractors like Northrop Grumman and Deloitte. From major logistical companies like Disney and FedEx to more niche companies like Altec. There's not a type of company that our IEs have not hit. A lot of employers even specifically ask for WVU IEs after even having one intern. So that makes such a big difference when trying to go for internships and co-ops, knowing that companies want you because of the college you go to. One major worry I had going into this major was what type of job I wanted coming out of college. However, the IE program has an amazing career advisor to help me decide my future. Industrial engineering is the only engineering major in this college that has a staff member dedicated to being a career advisor for all the students in the major. It is a requirement to meet with her at least once a semester, which I think is a great benefit, as it allows her to figure out what type of person you are and what jobs might suit you best for after college. I've used her for so many different things, from going over resumes to helping me decide what companies I should look for at jobs fairs to even looking over my offers that I get from companies and making sure that they are fair to me. Having someone like that on my side helps relieve the stress of trying to figure out the next steps after college, and is something that I think that the industrial engineering program at WVU does exceptionally well. In summary, I feel that WVU's industrial engineering program provides a ton of great benefits to their students. From the IE Lounge, which allows for people to collaborate and do homework in between classes, to the large network of companies that the college has, there's so many great benefits to the individual student. With the inclusion of a dedicated career advisor, it makes it that much better. And that is why I think that if you want to become an industrial engineering major, you should consider WVU.